All right. So there's a couple of things that I do still have left to go over, but we're making good time. The first one is just going to be, this is going to be what our little HiveScience is for today. And let me see about pulling that up here. And it's going to be, I don't know, it's just a fun little jaunt. Here we go. All right, so a fun little jaunt around the Amazon basin. We are in Bolivia, and these are Bolivian river dolphins. 2 male dolphins were seen playing with an anaconda while sexually aroused in a perplexing encounter captured by researchers. Yep, so here we have the 2 dolphins. You can see the snake in their mouths. This is not a green anaconda, which are truly massive animals that I don't think the dolphins would have nearly as much fun playing with. 2 Bolivian river dolphins were seen swimming around and playing in the Tijamushi River in Bolivia. The unusual part, they were carrying a Bini anaconda, an apex predator, in their mouths. Researchers captured the rare encounter in August 2021 in photos and described it in a paper published last month in the Journal of Ecology, which we do have here. But it's super detailed and very, very extensive. So we're just going to read the blurb article, and I really need to start putting these links into the description, but I will try to remember to put this in the description for all my fans of dolphins playing with snakes and getting boners about it. Okay, so researchers captured the rare encounter in August 2021 in photos and described it in papers published last month in the journal Ecology. The research team spotted a group of dolphins immediately upon arriving to the site and began taking photos. Only when they reviewed their first images did they realize the dolphins were carrying a snake, according to the study. The researchers said it became clear the dolphins were playing with the snake rather than trying to eat it, in part because the interaction lasted for at least 7 minutes. At one point, they observed the adult males each holding on to the anaconda and swimming in unison. Upon reviewing the photos later, the researchers realized the dolphins had erect penises, which also supports the idea that it was a playful interaction. Playing is well-documented behavior in mammals and dolphins generally, but the encounter was the first ever recorded between a Bolivian river dolphin and a Bini anaconda. The researchers said many questions remain and offered possible alternative explanations for the behavior, including predation. There you go, there's the erect penis right there, so you can see this dolphin is very, very happy to be playing with this snake. This one over here is actually holds the snake right now and is rolling around with it. The Bini anaconda are large semi-aquatic snakes generally reaching more than 6 feet long and typically have no known predators. Other than one record of cannibalism, there is no published record of an animal eating a Bini anaconda. So, again, it's not a green anaconda, not the giant, massive anacondas like from the horror movie. They don't really move like that or anything, but they're just large aquatic snakes. There are several clades of anaconda. This is just one of them, and one of the smaller ones. It's also smaller than the yellow anaconda, which is a fairly robust species as well. You can kind of see the scale on that in that image if you know how big the river dolphins are anyway. Because the snake was submerged for much of the encounter, the researchers said it was most likely died. The researchers said it was also possible the adult male dolphins were teaching the juvenile dolphins that were present about the Bini anaconda, or that the dolphins were engaged in an attempt at courtship. They said male Amazon river dolphins have been observed in the past carrying objects in what appears to be an attempt to aim at females. Diana Reese, a marine mammal scientist at Hunter College, who was not part of the study, told the New York Times the dolphins may have been sexually stimulated by the anaconda. It could have been something to rub on. Oh boy. Yeah. Anyway, so that was our Amazon River dolphins, and doing some, or not Amazon River dolphins, Bolivian river dolphins. Very closely related to Amazon River dolphins, though. Really cool species, nearly blind too, but really great echolocation, so they're really good at locating things in dark, murky water, which is probably how they found this snake. All right, NJ, you have a good day. Much love from the Hive. Thanks for dropping in. Okay, so that was our little bit of Hive science for today. 2 male dolphins were seen playing with an anaconda while sexually aroused in perplexing encounter captured by researchers. Thank you for tuning in for this little segment of Hive Science, and we appreciate you here in the Hive, and please remember to be kind and take care.